Hi guys, so today I'm gonna use this X2 package and make some food because I'm too lazy to make it on my own. So come join me for the experience. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. So we have these recipes and then we have all this stuff, so we really don't need anything extra. And yeah, cashew nut chicken and egg fried rice. So let's get started. Also ignore the nail polish, I was too lazy to finish it.
Guys, Ramazan here, MMA fighter and international jihadist. Is the shot good? Well,
Stop ruining.
hey guys, Ramazan here. So we're gonna get started with this X2 do-it-yourself meal. Okay. So here we have is a packet of marinated chicken. All right. We're just gonna take this, and the recipe says that we need to add cooking oil in a pan and deep fry it for 2 minutes. Shove. You want to get it to a nice light golden brown. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna come towards making the rice. So let's just take it out. The first thing you want to do is soak the rice in water for a bit. Okay, just let it sit there for like 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, now let's just put some water in. Let it soak for a bit. Be careful, don't burn yourself because I usually do. Okay. So just add like a little bit of oil, right? That's about enough. And now we're just gonna add the egg and the vegetables in it, right? For the egg fried rice. And the vegetables in it as well. Right? Here. Okay, and now just add the vegetables and egg as well. Okay. Mix it around a little bit. And they've given us some chicken powder. So we're only going to use half of this. So spread it properly. And the pepper, we're going to use all of it. Oops, that's fine.
Alright, this will be almost done.
Okay.
Just take it off in a minute.
Right.
Alright guys, so we're taking our chicken that we fried, okay, with our vegetables. We're going to turn on the skillet.
Wow,
Okay.
this smells so good.
We're going to throw this in here with a little bit of oil, alright. Now we're going to take our chicken powder, throw it in here.
Done.
Rice is done, okay, that's great. We're going to mix our cashew nut sauce into our chicken, and we're going to cook it at medium temperature. Try not to burn it. Look at that. I mean, look at that sauce, dude. Alright, so we're gonna take our cat meat, dump it in there, do a couple, sprinkle it on.
Ching chong!
Ni hao.
Okay, so I think we're done.
1 second.
So the egg fried rice is ready.
Wow, this smells good.
Say hello, Oreo. Yeah, that's her favorite spot. Okay, so the food's ready and it only took us about 10 minutes, right? So let's eat.
Yeah.
After he actually is done making the video, he's just like, get off.